In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a product in WooCommerce. As the first example, let's assume we need to create a copy of the grace of a product. To make this change, first we'll log into WordPress admin. On the left side of the screen, hover on products and then select all products. Once you're on the main products page, hover on the product and then select duplicate. And as you can see right here, the copy of the product was created. Alternatively, there is another way how you can duplicate a product from the product editor. Once again, let me go to all products. Let's select a different product such as coffee table, and then click on edit. Once the product editor loads, on the right side of the screen, look for the publish section, and then click on copy to a new draft. And here's the copy of the coffee table product we just created, but as you can see, the status set as draft. So if you want to make sure that the product is visible on the website, click on publish. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to your website and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the duplicate product was successfully published. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.